Crash course on Norway, art, museums, music, and performing art. Norway, a land of artistic brilliance, boasts a rich history of art, captivating museums, soul-stirring music, and captivating performing arts scenes. Let's delve into the fascinating world of Norwegian creativity and explore the top attractions that make it a haven for art enthusiasts and music lovers alike. Rich art history and museums. Norway's art history is deeply rooted in its natural landscapes and cultural heritage. The country's renowned museums showcase a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces, from traditional folk art to contemporary works. The National Gallery in Oslo houses the iconic painting, The Scream, by Edvard Munch, a symbol of human emotion and existentialism. The Vigeland Sculpture Park, also in Oslo, features an impressive collection of over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland, capturing the essence of human life. Interesting story to excite you. One captivating tale revolves around the discovery of the Viking ship burials at Oseberg and Gokstad. These archaeological marvels unveiled the artistry and craftsmanship of the Viking Age, providing valuable insights into Norway's historical past. Diverse music and performing arts. Norway's music scene is an eclectic fusion of traditional folk music and modern genres. The haunting melodies of hardanger fiddle, a traditional Norwegian instrument, resonate with the soul. Contemporary music flourishes in Norway, with artists like Kygo and Aurora gaining global recognition. The country's performing arts scene hosts a myriad of events, from theatre plays to ballet performances, showcasing the talent of Norwegian artists. Top 12 attractions of art, museums, music, and performing art in Norway. 1. The National Gallery, Oslo. 2. Vigeland Sculpture Park, Oslo. 3. Munch Museum, Oslo. 4. The Viking Ship Museum, Oslo. 5. The Arctic Cathedral, Tromsø. 6. The Northern Lights Festival, Tromsø. 7. Bergen International Festival. 8. Trondheim Symphony Orchestra. 9. The Sami music scene, Karasjok. 10. The Norwegian National Opera and Ballet, Oslo. 11. The Peer Gynt Festival, Gudbrandsdalen. 12. The Rosendal Barony, Hardanger. Summary. Norway's art, museums, music, and performing arts scene offer an immersive experience into the country's cultural richness. From the iconic paintings of Edvard Munch to the soulful melodies of the hardanger fiddle, Norway's artistic expressions captivate and inspire. The museums, festivals, and performances celebrate the nation's creativity and provide a glimpse into its vibrant cultural tapestry. Poem. In Norway's heart, creativity blooms. In paintings, sculptures, and dances zoom. The scream's emotion, so raw and real. In Oslo's gallery, its stories reveal. Vigeland's park, a sculpted embrace. Human forms, in eternal grace. The Vikings' legacy, unearthed with care. Oseberg and Gokstad, treasures rare. From northern lights to Arctic skies. Tromsø's music, a soulful guise. Bergen's festival, a vibrant sway. Trondheim's symphony, an orchestral display. Sami music, a cultural treasure. Karasjok's tunes, a lasting pleasure. Oslo's opera, a ballet's flight. The Arctic Cathedral, a beacon at night. Peer Gynt's tales, in Gudbrandsdalen's embrace. Rosendal's beauty, a timeless place. In Norway's arts, a journey profound. In every stroke, a story's resound. Summary. Norway's art, museums, music, and performing arts reflect the nation's soul and cultural heritage. From Edvard Munch's iconic The Scream to the haunting tunes of the hardanger fiddle, Norway's creativity captivates hearts worldwide. The country's festivals, symphonies, and performances offer an enchanting experience into its artistic brilliance. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.